Hello everyone, today I'm going to be taking you guys around this 1998 Honda Acty Attack. The Attack is the more heavy off-road, quote-unquote heavier off-road focused trim level of the Acty. It comes with a 4-speed manual transmission with an ultra-low crawl gear and an ultra-low reverse. And it's coming to us with about 58,000 kilometers or 36,000 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look around. Pretty clean truck throughout, but obviously there's a little bit of dings that are going to stand out from its uses. A bit more of a off-road vehicle. Coming in inside the truck here, door seals are very clean throughout. A little bit of staining, but no rust or anything like that. Right there, as I said, about 58,000 kilometers, 36,000 miles. And you get AC in this one, so that is a nice little creature comfort you get. And like I said, there's your 4-speed with the ultra low and crawl and reverse, and that's engaged by just pulling up on this little thing here, going all the way left, and then up there you're in well, I guess one low, and then same process for the reverse. Now over on the passenger side, again, door seals are all good. No rust. Seat is in better condition. We're in the glove box. Got some documents related to the car along with some booklets, which I believe are owner's manual and maintenance notes, etc. There's about one or two more in there, but I think it's the same as this one. Glove box, not the tallest, but it does go down fairly deep in there, so you got space for all your documents. And now, of course, K-truck. All these sideboards here do come down if you don't get caught up on the latches. They all come down like so. Give you a nice and easy access for loading anything from any angle, really. Battery is located right here along with your coolant reservoir. And of course, it is an Acty. Your engine is going to be situated kind of in the middle, about here, or yeah, about in this area. I can show you guys underneath. There it is. So, balances it a little bit better. Gas cap is going to be right here, right behind the driver's side door. Alright, starting it up now. As you can see, it starts up no problems. And I'm going to go ahead, get lights, hazards on, show you guys that those do all work, and horn does work as well. As you can see, everything out here up front does work as it should. And the same story here in the back. Now there is the bed light there that is activated with the button on the left side of the wheel right here. Not sure what the red button is, but I guess that light doesn't work, so we have to get the bulb replaced. Alright, back inside the Acty now. I'm gonna go for a little drive. Clutch is wonderful on it, no power steering, so a little bit hard to steer with one hand, but it's not the end of the world. Transmission shifts great. Clutch, as I said, bites very nicely, pretty low down. As you may have noticed, you don't get a tachometer in these, but your speedometer does have the top speeds for each gear is up to 3rd. So you do know when about you want to shift. And there's a hill right here. I'll demonstrate the ultra low on it on the truck here in a second. Alright, stopped on a pretty steep uphill, as I showed before. Ultra low is like so. And as you can see, it just kind of glides right up the hill, no problem. I can even let it idle and it'll go up, but it does kind of start struggling, so not going to be doing that much more. Alright, getting back going in proper road gears. If you'd like to check out some more info on this 98 Acty Attack or any of our other 200 plus JDM right-hand drive vehicles we have in stock, including JDM motorcycles, please head to jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. You'll find all of our inventory there across both of our Washington state locations. If you're in the Seattle area and you want to come check out this Acty or any of our other cars that we have in stock, we are located at 16017 Aurora Avenue North in Shoreline, Washington. If you're on the peninsula, driving along the 101, we have a location right off that highway as well, located at 87 Drake Road in Sequim, Washington. Drake spelled D-R-Y-K-E, and Sequim spelled S-E-Q-U-I-M. Thank you for watching. Please have a wonderful day.